students of Standard 6. Today we learn Chapter 8, Paying the Price, Part 5. We have seen before that the sanitary inspector was showing little concern and care for the woman to take care of her child. He said, take leave and go. Let your husband come and complete the job. Complete your duty. And the lady was going and he called her. Why do you call me? And then she got very much frightened. Her face color was changed and she said, no, I have not done. And she went home. And she complained to her husband. She cried. She was worried how to go, whether he will fire her and send her out from the job. Then husband consoled her, not to worry. I am there. We will go to Panchayat. Tell to him, unless he listen, I will break my head on the gate of the Panchayat office. And like that he was consoling. Then she said, women will be there and they will laugh at me. What shall I do? Still he said, come, let us go for the wages. Now they have come to the office where they get the salary there. And let us listen. Why don't the inspector fire her on the spot? Now she is asking, why that inspector on that day only did not fire? Now why waiting for the salary day? She wasn't able to fathom it. She was not able to believe it or understand. She was in total confusion. It was mysterious for her. He actually seemed kind. He showed him kindness. She couldn't understand this mystery, and one is scared of things one doesn't understand. When you are unable to understand what is happening, what is the situation, how it is, then you are more confused and fear is there. Till it is clear to you, the fear is there. Once it is cleared, all situation, you are okay that you can do or something. Once it is not clear, the frightening and the fearful situation is in you. If he wanted to find her, he would have simply noted her name in his diary. He had decided to fire her. That's why he was so nice. So she is thinking, that day he did not scold me. He was so kind to take the leave and take the child and go home and care for the child. Why? Why he was so kind? He wanted to fire me. Here fire means not putting the fire, but here fire means scolding and sending away from the job. So she is frightened. Now I will be out of my job. Where shall I go? They reached the municipal office. Thousands of sweeper women had gathered wearing colorful dresses. Several vendors and also appeared, selling pan and other stuffs. When the thousands of women were there, workers for salary, they will have a long queue. So for that, the vendors come and sell something. These people waiting for the salary and they take, because when they get the salary, they can easily pay. And vendors are so clever, they know that salary they will get, and from that they will get some money, people will buy. And he's telling also a band of Pathans, business people. So they were also there who had given them loan. Money they have given. So they want to get back now, otherwise these people will go and spend it. So before they spend, they want to take from them the money which they have given. Exactly. They had to lend to their debtors. These two also went and joined the queue. Now both husband and wife also went and joined the queue. The pay began to be distributed. The sweeper women were the first to be paid. Now the ladies were paid the first for the salary, and everybody one by one they were called by name and they should come and take, and they gave blessings to the inspector. The person would take her money and shower blessings on the spectre, which he didn't deserve. Alaki's name was always called after Champa's. Today she was passed over. Today passed over, they called after Champa always Alaki, but today they did not call her. They called the next person who was after her. They left her, just ignored her. After Champa, Juharan was called, whose name was always after Alaki. Alaki looked at Hussaini and with despairing eyes means very sad, no hope that get anything. The women were watching her and began to whisper. She felt like leaving the sport and going home. She couldn't bear the humiliation. If the earth had given way, she would have like to go underneath. She is telling that when her name was not called, and all the women started to comment, laugh, look at her, and she was so much ashamed that she wanted that if the earth breaks, cracks and gives her way, she could have gone under it. That much humiliation she felt. Thank you, children.